Sheesh. Wow. Got this one about to come down maybe, and then that one. That's crazy. Never had a tree fallen over from wind on our property. It's the worst winds we've ever had. So while that is down, our animals cannot be in this pasture. So we have a fence separating, but this part fell over, and so we'll have to put this back up, and then we close the green gateway over there. So hopefully no animals get in and escape. I don't think they could, but just in case. He's helping. Doing a great job. Every fence is secured. We got every fence secured, but then there's just one more problem. Yeah,